What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Kia Forte remote key fob. This Kia Forte key fob is going to be for the Kia Fortes that do not have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and go ahead and flip out the key blade. Now if we hold our fob with the buttons facing down, we're going to remove this back panel right here. And most of the time you can just get this off with your fingers. If you kind of get two fingers up here and a thumb down here, it'll just pull off of there like that. If you're unable to get that off with your fingers, you can grab a flathead screwdriver and just come in here like this and use it to help pry it off. But once we get that back cover off, we see our battery right here. And then at this point, I'll use a screwdriver or even something with like a point on it just to help get it out of this holder. Once we get our old battery out, we'll grab our new replacement battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. And I'll kind of come in here and tuck this edge in first, the side that's closer to the logo or the key blade. So kind of tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Then we can snap this back panel on, close our key blade, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.